My dear students, welcome to the online moral science class. We will go through the chapter 3, part 2, teamwork. In the first part of the lesson, we were learned that few friends were participated in a basketball match and failed. And instead of going to the school, they went to a park and started evaluation. We will find the rest of things. A hot discussion and blame game followed. While they were sitting there, they observed a group of birds flying around. So, after they tasted the failure, they noticed that how they can success, and they understood that a teamwork can make them success. Instead of going to the school, they went to the park after the game and observed that some birds are flying around. They observed a group of birds are flying around. They were flying in a V formation. Why are they flying like that? Asked Sadish. I think this would help the birds fly with lesser efforts. My dear students, here is mentioning on some birds, and the students or children noticed that the birds are flying in a V formation. And they are asking, what are the reasons may cause for this V formation? After the thought, some answers are coming up. That Sadish said that this V formation may help them go through the less effort. The bird leading the flock decides on the direction and speed. He faces a great part of the pressures of the wind. I think we need to learn a lesson or two from these birds. Commented Chandra. So, in this lesson, here is mentioning on why birds are flying in a V formation. So, the children are thinking and they are finding the answers. One answer is it may help them to go through the lesser effort, and the second thing is it may help them to face, or they can go through the or limit the pressures of the wind. The bird leading the flock decides on the direction and speed. So, one or two birds are here, they are leading the team and they are deciding the direction, and the rest of the birds are following the same direction. So, the birds who are flying front, they may feel pressure of the wind. I think we need to learn a lesson or two from these birds. Commented Chandra. We should elect a leader from among us so that he can give us directions, and all of us should respect it and follow it. And the second opinion, actually, when they saw that the birds are flying together and also in a V formation, they understood many things. The first thing is they should have a leader, and everyone should follow the leader. Everyone should respect the directions and guidance of the leader. Then only all can win success. We should elect a leader from among us so that he can give us directions, and all of us should respect it and follow it. Said Farid. As they were watching, the leader bird changed position and went to the back of the formation, and another bird took the lead. Oh, I understand. The leader changes the position because he may have become tired facing the wind. See, another important point they have noticed. The leader of the birds slowly came came to the back of the position, and again the bird in the back went to front. When the leader went back, another bird came forward and started to guide all the birds. From this, they understood that because of the wind, the leader bird may be tired. So he went to the back position and another bird came forward to lead the flock. Oh, I understand. The leader changes the position because he may have become tired facing the wind. This is a good idea. We too can take leadership in a rotation. This would ensure that all of us get a chance to be the leader and shine in front of others. Finally, they reached in a conclusion that we should have a leader. Everyone should follow the instructions of the leader. And finally, it should be a rotation. So, after a period of time, the leader should be changed, a new leader should be joined. My dear students, by watching the birds, they have learned few things. One thing is they should have a leader and everyone should follow the instructions of the leader. Second thing is it should be rotational. After a period of time, the leader should be changed and a new person will be selected as the leader and everyone should follow that person. If they continue in this way, everyone should get a chance to become a leader and everyone can shine. My dear students, second part of the chapter teamwork ended here. Kindly go through the first two parts of the video and learn thoroughly. The chapter is very interesting and very easy to understand. Have a great day.